Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in product performance, design, and value. Today, we're diving into the waters with our top pick for best boat covers 16FT, the LumiCalyx 600D waterproof boat cover. If you've been looking for the ultimate protection for your boat, stay tuned because this might just be what you've been searching for. Let's talk first impressions. The LumiCalyx boat cover looks and feels premium. It's constructed from 600D marine-grade Oxford cloth and features a 4-layer PU coating on the inside. This isn't your average canvas. This is a heavy-duty, industrial-grade material made to endure both the scorching sun and relentless rain. The waterproofing is serious. With over 6,000 pascals of water pressure resistance, this cover won't let a single drop through. Every seam is sealed with waterproof tape, ensuring that your boat stays bone dry, no seepage, no damp surprises. Now durability is where LumiCalyx shines. Double needle stitching throughout, and reinforcement at high stress areas like the bow and stern. That means it won't easily rip or fray, even with regular use or tough weather conditions. This cover is clearly built for longevity. Inside, ventilation is cleverly handled. Dual air vents with hard PP shells allow air to circulate under the cover while keeping water out. That helps prevent mold, mildew, and unwanted heat buildup inside your boat. A small but crucial feature that adds long-term value. The elastic hem cord gives it a tight, custom fit that doesn't flap around. Installation and removal are fast, clean, and simple, no struggling or awkward tugging. And when you're done, it fits neatly into the included storage bag. This specific model fits boats from 16 to 18.5 feet in length, with a beam width up to 94 inches. It's a universal fit design, ideal for V-hull boats, tri-hulls, fish and ski, runabouts, bowriders, and base boats. So whether you're a casual angler or a weekend cruiser, this cover has you protected. This is a trailerable design that doesn't shift or loosen on the road. It's built to move with you, on water, off the water, and on the highway. So, if you're ready to protect your investment with top-tier quality and thoughtful engineering, the LumiCalyx 600D waterproof boat cover stands at the top of our list. Heavy-duty, waterproof, UV-resistant, wind-secure, and easy to use, it checks every box. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Hit like if this helped, subscribe for more top-tier product breakdowns, and let us know in the comments what gear you want us to review next. Safe boating, and see you in the next one.